Hare Krishna. So the last verse in the continuation of this theme of eternality of the soul and temporariness of the body, we have the 19th verse of the second chapter today, which goes, Ya enam vetti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam ubhau tau na vijanito nayam hanti nahanyade. Neither he who thinks the living entity the slayer, nor who thinks it slain is in knowledge. For the self slays not, nor is slain. So Krishna says that the body will always be destroyed, the soul will always remain constant. If someone thinks that it is because of this body that somebody has been killed, then that understanding is false. At the same time, if somebody thinks that I am the killer because I am killing this body, that understanding also is false. So I am the killer and I am responsible for killing someone, or somebody is killed and I am responsible for his killing. Both these understandings are wrong. Again, I repeat what I repeated yesterday, that this does not give us a license to kill. Even Jesus Christ, in one of the 10 commandments, he says, thou shalt not kill, because we are not the reason for that person's existence. So we cannot be, or that living entity's existence. So we cannot be the reason for their annihilation as well. अगर हम किसी के अस्तित्व का कारण नहीं है, तो हम उसके मिटने का भी कारण नहीं हो सकते. So this is not happening for any personal sense gratification or personal animosity. Yesterday we discussed how this was happening only for the purpose of kartavya. Duryodhan, because of his hedonist nature, he is not allowing Pandavas to execute their kartavya. And when kartavya overlapping happens, then there is conflict, and then there is dharma and adharma. So Krishna says, if you think, my dear Arjuna, that it is because of you that Bhishma and Drona are being killed, it's a false understanding. And even if you think that they are going to die after you kill them, or they are going to not exist after you kill them, that understanding is also not correct, because even after their body is finished, they are going to exist. It is exactly like a boy when he sees his father coming home from office, and definitely when we come home, we change our clothes. हम बाहर अच्छे से टक इन शर्ट करके, बेल्ट पहन के, ट्राउजर्स पहन के जाते हैं, लेकिन घर में हम पैजामे, सिंपल टी शर्ट या चड्डी बनियान या फिर लुंगी और एक सिंपल बंडी में रहते हैं. So when the son sees the father taking out his the coat or pant and shirt, and he starts crying, oh Papa, please, you are shedding off your clothes, what is this, what is this? Father will say, Arey Baba, I am shedding off this, but I am taking up new. My existence is not in the basis of cloth. I am just wearing that cloth. Why are you crying for the cloth? ये कपड़े मैं धोल के फिर से पहनूंगा, मैं इसको फेंक नहीं रहा हूं, और यहाँ पे ये सब पहन के मैं नहीं रह सकता. उसी प्रकार से कृष्णा मेक्स अर्जुना अंडरस्टैंड that Bhishma, Drona, all these people because of whom Arjuna is really feeling lamentation and bouts of despondency, it is only the dress that is going to change. They are not going to change. They will remain as they are, just like they have remained previously also. From tomorrow onwards, we will see Krishna explaining Arjuna the characteristics of the soul. Till now, we have seen the concept of soul and the principle of continuity of existence. From tomorrow, we will see the characteristics. Please be with us. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. कृष्ण